Hey guys, just wanted to give you an update on the test and some of the things that I've put together for you. So you'll notice if you click on modules today, there are several new files related to the test. Please review those files. Some of them you've seen some versions of, some of them you haven't. Please at least scroll, kind of scan all of those documents. There's lots of really good information in there. Make sure you make sure you log into College Board and verify our test time. Um, they suggest you start the login process at least 30 minutes ahead of time. I've talked a lot about making sure your study area is set up. There's not as much information about that in this kind of rush of material. So, it is really important that you eat well that morning. Eat something before the test. Have lunch before the test. It's important that you sleep well the night before. All those good test taking things are still really important, maybe more so now than they are when they're in school. The big obstacle that people seem to be stressed about, there really are two. One is annoying little siblings or mom and dad that can't let you focus. And, that's one that is tough to control, but we got to do what we can. Find your spot, stake a claim. I talked about making a family calendar maybe, but just let everybody know, like, look, between this between this chunk of time, maybe you've got 2 or 3 tests that day, but between this chunk of time, I am not here. I don't exist. I'm in this room. Don't speak to me. You might have to be a jerk about it. Maybe don't be that big a jerk about it, but make it clear. Look, I have to do this. This is my one thing in a month and a half that has had to be done right now. So please just let your family know. They'll help you. They want you to do well on this test as well. Maybe ask for some help with little brothers, little sisters, that kind of thing. Item 2 that people are scared about is the upload process. And there are lots of things to be scared about. Is the website going to be able to handle it? Are we going to have bandwidth issues? What's going to happen when every AP student from this class around the world is uploading all within the same 5-minute window? There are lots of variables. One variable you need to eliminate is upload issues. So if you have an iPhone, especially, you need to pay attention. Excuse me. Because newer iPhones take pictures in a format that is not supported by College Board's websites, like .heicc, I think is what it is. So if you have an iPhone and you choose the method where you handwrite your answers and then you take a picture and upload it, we're going to have to use a converter. There are options out there. I have a list that has been compiled through a couple of email groups that I'm in, but I'm trying to not. I don't want to drown you guys in any unnecessary information. So if you need help with that conversion process, please reach out to me. It's crucial that we go through the practice upload. That's live now on College Board's website. There's a link to it in the module that I uploaded for today. You want to make sure that you go through that, do a couple of practice problems, whether you actually do the work or not. Just put some scribbles on the paper, take a picture of it, and upload it. From my understanding, you can practice it as many times as you want. So you might try typing your answers, try to upload it, try write them, try to upload it. I hear there are people trying to do a combination of the two, but I would not. I really want to encourage you to either type them all or write them all. If your handwriting is neat, I personally would handwrite everything. If you choose to type, I uploaded keyboarding tips for AP Chemistry to both AP Chem and AP Phys. I can't find an AP Physics version of that same document, so I thought I would just upload the chemistry one. Some of the stuff is going to apply. But it kind of shows you how to key in special characters without using special characters. So, again, check out the resources. Please practice and upload, and then be on the lookout for your test ticket and some of those kinds of things. reach out to me as you're going through your reviews, as you're going through your one-pagers. If there's anything I can do, I'm happy to. I feel like I haven't talked with you guys in forever. This is such a weird time for me that I feel like I'm sitting here waiting to answer questions and help you guys get ready to rock this test. Like I've said a bunch of times, I think this is a real opportunity for us. I think that we've got. I think a lot of you are going to do well on it. I think a lot of you would have done well on the test, had none of this pandemic happened and had we taken the traditional test, I think we would have done well. But I think this kind of skews in our direction. I think a handful of students that maybe would have struggled to get their 3, I think have a real good shot at it just because we've practiced FRQs so much and you guys have been putting in so much work. And I really appreciate the quality of the one-pagers. I was a little bit nervous that you guys were going to half-heartedly do your one-pagers, but I'm happy to see that it seems like you're really embracing them and you're going to use them as a study tool, and you're going to use them during the test, so that's great. Last thing I want to say, and then I'll shut up. I posted links to the equation sheets and the periodic table for AP Chem. Make sure you have that stuff open on test day. Please reach out. Let me know what I can do to help. Keep after it. You guys are doing great. I'll talk with you guys soon.